This is the star stitch and it's one of the most satisfying stitches to crochet. Let's learn how to do it. You need to start with an odd number of chains and we're going to go through the second chain on your hook. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and repeat this. Insert your hook to the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. You've got 3 on your hook. Insert your hook again into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 4 on your hook, and we're doing it again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 5 on your hook, and now one last time, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 6 loops on your hook, and you can count them to make sure. Then yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Let's just watch me do that. And then you're going to chain 1, and that secures in the star shape. Then you'll repeat this process but into that chain that you just made. So go into that chain, you're going to go through 1 loop only, yarn over, pull through, you'll have 2 on your hook. Look at this loop here, go through that loop, then yarn over, pull through, 3 on your hook. The next one is that gap there. Put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going into the standard chains from this point onwards. So go into that chain, yarn over, pull through, and then the last one to make sure you've got 6 loops. And then just finish the stitch in the same way as we did before by pulling all the way through and chaining 1. Then repeat this process until the very last stitch, which will be a half double crochet. Now I am completely out of time, so part 2 on how to do the star stitch will be coming soon. I'll show you how to finish your row and then how to start row 2. So hit follow to get part 2 of the star stitch tutorial.